How to connect Vizio TV to Wi-Fi without a remote. First of all, if you don't have a remote, don't worry. There are a few easy ways to connect your Vizio TV to Wi-Fi. The simplest way is by using a USB keyboard. Just plug the keyboard into the USB port on your TV, turn the TV on, and use the arrow keys and enter key to follow the on-screen setup. You'll be able to select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password directly. After that, once your TV is connected to Wi-Fi, download the Vizio mobile app on your phone. That app can act as your remote, making it much easier to control your TV in the future. If you don't have a USB keyboard, you can also use a universal remote. Pair it with your TV, open the menu, go to network, and connect to your Wi-Fi that way. Another option is using an Android phone that has an infrared blaster. You can download a Vizio remote app from the Play Store and use your phone, like a real remote, to access the network settings. And finally, if nothing else works, simply connect your TV to the internet using an Ethernet cable from your router. It will connect automatically. So this is how to connect Vizio TV to Wi-Fi without a remote. Like and subscribe if this helped.